Hi, welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial we will learn about naming convention in C language. So let's begin. If you are working in C language and in the name of variables there are more than one words, then I will suggest you to use underscores. For example, here we are declaring a variable int my roll number is equals to 101. I have declared a name of a variable which is a valid name and assigned it a value. Now if you read it suddenly, you will not be able to realize that which data is stored in it. So this variable is not readable. Even this variable name is valid, but it's not a good practice. Let's see another variation. Now if I write it int my roll number is equals to 101 and put underscores in between it like here. So this is another convention of naming a variable which is readable. This same convention is also used in functions. Although I have not discussed functions here, many students who are studying C language from scratch don't know about functions. So don't worry, you will know about functions in our upcoming programming tutorials. So this variation of declaring a variable and putting underscore in between makes it readable. So we can here write it that this is a good practice, valid and readable. So this is a good practice of naming a variable. Now let's talk about constants. So the name for constants you choose will always be in capital letters. For example, const int number is equals to 25. Whenever you see the variables in uppercase in different codes of programmers, you will immediately realize that it's a constant variable. Some people also write constant in lowercase like this. Int const number is equals to 25. This is also valid but not a good choice to write in lowercase. Constants are always written in uppercase like I have discussed above. So constants are written in uppercase. It's a good practice and a good choice. If there are more than one words in a name of constant variable, then we will use underscores. For example, constant int my roll number is equals to 25. By using underscores, we have made the names of variables or constants more readable. The same rule is applied in all three ways of constants which we discussed in lesson 8. I have seen many students which have no idea of naming convention and don't follow any conventions. They give their own random names. I mean to say that whenever you write a program or a code, your code should tell that this is written by any good programmer. In the last two tutorials, we have discussed about the naming convention of constants and variables. Both of them follow the same rules. The only difference between the two is variables are written in lowercase whereas constants are declared in uppercase. For more upcoming tutorials related to C language, stay connected to Education 24/7.